Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be achieving this Ice Queen extraterrestrial kind of looking look, and I'm super excited because I'm breaking out my Jeffree Star Blue Blood. I'm super excited to show you guys all this baby can do, and not to mention how beautiful it is. I will be also using this for like my contour and my face as well. So give this video a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on your notification bell and let's hop right into this tutorial. I am so excited today, guys, because we're going to be doing a really crazy look. I'm starting off with my brows, and I'm going to be using soap brows today. So I just have my translucent soap over here, and I'm going to spray this a couple times with my Urban Decay All Nighter and just wait for this to really soak up and get tacky before I go in with my spoolie. Once that has reached the consistency that I want, guys, I'm just going to be rolling in it like that with my spoolie and then twisting to get all the excess product off. Applying directly to my brows after that. Once I am done soaping those babies up, I'm going to wait for them to dry a little bit, and then I'm going in with my Brow by Benefit, and I'm just going to be pinching this really hard. This is a dip brow. You can use any single dip brow that you want, but I'm just going to be pinching this because I'm only adding individual hairs today. I'm not doing any sort of shading or anything like that. We're just going to be filling in any patches that we have. Once I've filled in those patches, guys, I'm going in again. I'm not applying any more soap, but I'm just brushing these up one more time with the soap that is left on the spoolie. Going in with concealer to clean up my brows, guys, I'm using my Sigma E15 brush and my NARS Medium Custard. For eye primer today, guys, I'm using my Urban Decay, my Potion Primer. Dab that on there. After we have let our primer sit for a minute, guys, I'm dipping in it to my Blue Blood. I'm super excited to break this baby out finally. And can we just please take a moment to appreciate this packaging? It is absolutely beautiful. Like, first of all the shades in here are gorgeous as they are, but this packaging, like, Jeffree Star just doesn't play around with packaging. Everything that he puts out is just, it's beautiful. It really is. So I'm going in with this shade Deceased over here, and I'm using my Sigma E25 brush, and I'm going to be applying this to my outer corner, and I almost want to make like a very wide U shape. You guys will see what I mean. I'm also just going to be dragging this a little bit down, like a tiny little bit on my lower lash line. So as you guys can see, I have created my like round U. Now I'm going to be going in with this shade over here. I'm Cold. It's this really beautiful light baby blue. And I'm just using one of my Sephora blending brushes. This is 27. And I am taking that and softening the outer corners of it along the edge right over here. And also dragging that just a tiny bit in. I'm also applying a decent amount of shadow to this part right here in my inner corner, my upper inner corner. And I'm really fluffing and flaring that out, guys. Moving on to the lid, guys, I am not going to cut my crease. However, I am going to be spraying my brush quite a lot because I do want a lot of pigment with this. My Morphe JH41, I'm spraying this with my MAC Prep and Prime. And we're going to be going in Cullinan with this white shade, right? I'm literally illiterate, guys. I'm so illiterate. Okay, but I'm dipping into that shade, and I want to make this fairly rounded when it comes to this corner over here. And I'm gonna bring that up, kind of round it out. I do want this a little softer up top, guys, so I'm just going to be taking my clean powder brush. This is just by Sephora. You can use like any sort of dense blending brush. Once I've softened that, guys, I'm going to be going back in with my E25 brush, and I'm just going to be going along one more time to blend that out even further. I really do want a nice shimmery look today and shimmery eye to go along with our like little icicle-ish like theme. I don't know. This is like giving me Frozen, like Elsa vibes. I'm for it though. I'm just now going to be applying some of my Hydroliner by Suva Beauty in the shade Tracksuit. I'm going to make a cutie little wing out of this. So as you guys can see, I kind of just did a half liner, so I only went halfway in and made it really like almondy and elongated. I'm gonna throw on some lashes off camera, guys. I'm using my Lily lashes today, and oh God, help me. Like, can I be going to a basic English class? I think this says opulence. Help me. Okay, so lashes are on, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I really do think that this is like the perfect lash for this look. Now we're moving on to the face. I'm gonna be using my All Nighter by Urban Decay to prime. After you've let that sit for a hot minute, we're gonna be going in with foundation. I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter. You can use a little bit of a lighter coverage foundation for this look. I think that would be really cutie. I just don't have one that is my shade right now because my tan went away. So I'm just using a more full coverage base, but I think it would still work really well with a lighter coverage foundation. And I'm just applying this with my Sigma F80 brush. Going in with concealer now, guys, I'm going to be using my NARS in the shade Medium Custard. I'm going to be setting my under eyes now, guys, with my Anastasia translucent powder and my Sigma F79 brush. And then setting the rest of my face, guys, with my Dior setting powder in light beige. I don't want to bake today. I just want to like lightly dust that. There still is some excess product that I'm going to be getting off in a hot minute. I'm going to be getting off excess product today, guys, with just my big fluffy brush from Sephora. So this is the part of the tutorial, guys, where I'm really going to be doing some of the really fun creative stuff. If you want to end it here, and you want to do your contour as normal, and you want to just fill in your lower lash line with that same dark blue shade that we used for our crease over here, our outer corner, you go ahead, you do that. If you like this look and you want to just go out with this blue glam look, that's totally fine. But now is when we will be getting into the really like icy look, glam, glitter look that I'm so excited for. So I am going to be applying the small amount of bronzer in a normal color, just to really give my face back some depth, really. So I'm going in with my Cheek Leaders palette and then my Morphe JH02 brush, and I'm just going like where I would put my bronzer. I'm using the shade Hula. I'm just going where my normal bronzer would go, right over here and over here, but I'm not going to be adding contour or blush or anything. This is where the shit is going to get real fun, guys. So I am going in with this shade Blue Blood right over here, and I'm gonna basically like be applying this as a, not contour, because it's gonna be like a larger area than contour, and like not bronzer either because I already went over with bronzer, but you guys will see like the general area where I'm going to be applying this. I'm also just using my Morphe JH07 for this. For like my blush today, guys, I'm gonna be using Minty. That's a cutie little name, actually. And I'm applying this with my Morphe JH09. For my highlighter today, guys, I'm gonna be using my Kat Von D Alchemist palette, and I'm spraying my Sigma F06 brush with some of my setting spray. And I'm dragging that up, like right over here near my temple. Oh yeah. For my nose contour today, guys, I'm going to just be pinching that same JH07 brush and just going along like the sides of my nose, but really keeping it concentrated to like the ball of my nose over here. I'm gonna drag a little bit of excess product up, but I want to focus mostly down. I know this looks wild, but we're gonna be tapping our highlighter on our nose like so, bringing it up. You guys know the drill for nose contour. Fading that out just a little bit with that blue. And I'm dragging this down actually onto my neck. I do want to make this my neck area just a little bit blue. This is with the Blue Blood and my JH07. Using my same Sigma E25, I'm going in with the shade Deceased that we used for over here, sorry, and just going along underneath my lower lash line a little bit. It's about to get really fun, guys, because now we're going to be applying the glitter. I'm using my Too Faced glitter glue, and I'm using my Go Get glitter holographic glitter thing. I don't know if they have shades or anything, but I'm using this shade right over here. It's the white one. And so when I'm taking my glitter glue, I'm just basically going to be drawing like with the glitter glue where I want everything to go. So I want to start from over here, and I want to just bring it down. And guys, I am not gonna skimp on the glitter glue. I don't suggest you guys skimp on it either. Like all the way down here. And then I'm gonna be taking my E50 brush, dipping into that glitter and just tapping it on there. I'm like living for this right now. I am living for this. This is so Ice Queen, you know. And I'm gonna do the same thing on my neck, guys. The only difference is that this time I'm also going to be incorporating this silver right here and this blue to give it a little bit more dimension. So I'm just gonna be drawing like lines down in the glitter glue. And then I'm going to be applying from there, shade by shade. To make my eyes even just a little bit more dramatic, guys, I'm going in with my Urban Decay Blue Vivid Glide On Eyeliner. It's blue. It's really cute. And for lips today, guys, I'm using my Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick in the shade Jawbreaker. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the finished look. This is perfect for festivals. This is perfect for like icy Halloween, like Ice Queen. It's such a cutie little look, and it's super simple and easy. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on those notification bells. And I cannot wait to hang out with you guys next week and do some more really fun creative stuff. Bye!